Hello students, so I am going to discuss about the examples of this motion chapter. Basically this is the last session on motion chapter, means that continuation will be end, but if you have any doubt or any problems, then I will upload some videos related to that topic. Okay, so basically this is the example 7.5 or of NCERT. Question is, a train starting from rest attains a velocity of 72 km per hour. So if you, like I have marked here, if you also noticing the same thing, then you are wrong. Why? Because already information is given before this line, before the marked position. What is that? A train starting from rest, this is the first information you are getting, that its initial velocity is 0 because it is starting from rest, attains a velocity of 72 km per hour. So finally its velocity is 72 km per hour in 5 minutes. So what is the time it takes? It is 5 minutes. Okay, now assuming that acceleration is uniform, acceleration is uniform means a is constant. Actually a is constant. Find the acceleration and distance traveled. So see, basically what are the things? U, V, A and T. For the first question, when you need to find out the value of acceleration, for that case U, V, A, T, and among of these formulas V equals to U plus AT, or V square equals to U square plus 2AS, or S equals to UT plus half AT square. These are the basic three formulas. So among of these three, these four parameters are present in this formula only, right? So we need to use this formula. It is confirmed that V equals to U plus AT I am going to use, and also it is in acceleration, so no problem, no need to put here, no need to see that it is positive sign or negative sign. It is positive because it is accelerating, its speed is increasing. Now thing is that you can see that unit is kilometer per hour, but it is in minute, right? It is 72 km per hour, but the time is in minute. So try to convert all this in SI system. Okay, like U is 0, no problem about it. V is 72 km per hour. We know that 1 km per hour is equals to 5 by 18 meter per second. I have already discussed in the previous classes. If you have not watched that classes, please go to that classes. Within the playlist you will get the access of class 9, and there you will get all the chapters of class 9, means in physics, obviously of physics, and watch the videos carefully from the beginning, from part 1. 18 and 72 if you cancel, you will get 4, right? So you will get 20 meter per second. So velocity finally it is getting 20 meter per second, and time given which is 5 minutes, not in seconds. So multiply with 60, it will give you 300 second. Now we need to find out, we need to put all these values here to get the actual result. V equals to how much? 20 meter per second. U is 0. A we have to find out, and T is 300. So A is how much? 20 by 300, right? I am clarifying the things like 20 is equals to 0 is nothing, so 300 A. 300 A is equals to 20. So A will be 20 by 300. 20 by 300. So if you cancel this, you will finally get 2 by 30. 2 by 30 means 1 by 15. So approximately this is the answer in meter per second square unit, in meter per second square, or in SI system. Okay, next, now the distance traveled by the train for attaining this velocity, means we have learned, we have estimated the value of acceleration. Now we need the value of S, means displacement. What is the relation What is the relation? If A is known, then formula is V U A and S related formula, V U A S. Which one? This one. See this one. You can also put this value, no problem. You can also put this value, right? Because time is known. But since here t and t square both terms are present, this is why I am not using this formula. Calculation part will be lengthy. Okay, calculation part will be lengthy. This is why I am going to use this formula, v square equals to u square plus 2as formula. Okay, so need distance. So what are the informations provided? U equals to 0, v I have already calculated, it is 20 meter per second. Acceleration I have calculated 1 by 15 meter per second square, and we need s. So what is the formula? Formula is v square is equals to u square plus 2as. Put the values. V square means 20 square, 20 square is 400 equals to u square means 0 square plus 2as. So 2 into a into a, 2a you know na, a is 1 by 15 into s. So 400 is equals to 2 by 15 into s. What is the value of s? So s equals to 15 into 400 by 2. After cross multiplying, I am just cross multiplying the things. So 2 into 400 is 200. So it will give you 3000 meter. 3000 meter means how much kilometer? That is 3 kilometer. So 3 kilometer is the distance after which the truck or something, the train will attain the velocity this 72 kilometer per hour after how much distance? After 3 kilometer, and acceleration is 1 by 15 meter per second. Okay, so meter per second square. Let's come to the next problem. Example number 7.6. A car accelerates uniformly from 18 km per hour to 13 km per hour in 5 seconds. See, time is given in second, but unit of velocity is in kilometer per hour. So you have to convert the things, right? So what is the formula for conversion? Uniformly from initial velocity 18 km per hour. So 18 into 5 by 18. So what it is getting? That is 5 meter per second. Similarly, final velocity is 36 km per hour. So 36 km per hour means 36 into 5 by 18. 18 you can cancel 2, so it will give you 10 meter per second. So basically, by the units of meter per second means SI system, initial velocity is 5 meter per second and final velocity is 10 meter per second, and time taken is how much? That is 5 seconds. Question is what is the acceleration? Means A we have to find out. See, u v a t, which one is the formula? V equals to u plus a t, simple. So this is why I was saying that at first collect all the informations given on the within the question. When you are collecting all the informations, all the parameters, you know all the parameters, then you use the formula, then put the values. This is the steps. Okay, so now v is what? V is 10, u is 5, a we have to find out, t is 5. So 5 is equals to 5a, 5 cancel out, and a equals to 1 meter per second square. So this is the value of acceleration. Second question is the distance covered by the car in that time. So what is the distance? So since acceleration is now known, so try to use this acceleration term. Okay, so acceleration v, u, and what we need to find out? S. Okay, so a, S, U, V. These three terms are known. This one is unknown. If only 4 parameters are in an equation, 3 are known, only 1 parameters we have to find out, then we can use the formula. Okay, so these 3 are known. A, U, V are known. S only we have to find out. So what is the formula? Formula is V square equals to U square plus 2as. V is 10, so 100, u is 5, so 5 square 25 plus 2 as, a means 1 into s means s. So 75 equals to 2s. S is how much? S is 75 by 2. 37.5. So S is 37.5 meter. So after going 37.5 meter only, it will it will get that amount of velocity, means 10 meter per second or 36 kilometer per hour from 18 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. Okay. Next example number 7.7. The brakes applied to a car produce an acceleration of this. Okay, so brakes applied, if you apply brake, what will happen? It will be negative acceleration, because it will reduce the speed of that car, right? So what is happening? Acceleration A is minus 6 meter per second square. Now this is why it is saying that opposite direction of motion. Okay, acceleration opposite direction means what? Acceleration, if it was originally positive, now in opposite direction means it will be negative. If the car takes 2 seconds, so time is given 2 seconds to stop. To stop means final velocity is 0. After the application of brake, calculate the distance it travels. So we need to find out the distance. What is the value of S? ATVS. Any formula related to this three? ATVS means any formula where 3 parameters are used and 3 parameters are known. Like we know only these values: V equals to U plus AT, S equals to UT plus half AT square, and V square equals to U square plus 2AS. See, A, T and V are known. A, T, V known. But we need to find, if U, they ask about U means initial velocity, then it's okay, we can use first formula, no problem. But they are asking about displacement, so try to check that any other formula is valid for calculating displacement, right? See, here for this equation, U and S both are unknown parameters, both are unknown, so we cannot solve. Here also same thing, U and S both are unknown. If two things are unknown, then you cannot calculate by using that formula. So what is the approach? See, since A, T, V are known, at first find out the value of U, because U and A are very much important terms, A and U, because these two terms are common in all the equations you can see. Right, U and A are very important terms. Since U is missing here, so we need to find out U. What is the formula for calculating U? That is V equals to U plus AT. Now V is what? V is 0. U is what? U is we don't know U. And A is minus 6 and T is 2 seconds. So U minus 12 is equals to 0. U is 12 meter per second. So we we actually find out the value of U. Initial velocity is now known to us. If initial velocity is known, then we can use any formula to find out S. Means among of these two, any formula you can use. So I am using the formula which is the last formula, V square equals to U square plus this one. So V square means 0 square equals to U square means 12 square plus 2 A means minus 6 into S we need to find out. So 0 is equals to 12 square is 144 minus 12S. Now bring this at this side, it will give you minus 144, it is minus 12S, S minus minus cancelled out. Now S is equals to 144 by 12. 144 by 12 means how much? That is 12 meter. So we are getting how much? 12 meter. Okay, so 12 meter is the distance it will travel during this time. Okay, this is the final answer. So approach will be like this. Okay, will be like this. Write down all the formulas at first, then try to find out the parameters from those formulas. Next, these are the questions. These are the questions from NCERT was given to solve actually for you. but I am solving here. If you are facing problem, then otherwise if you want to try once, then stop this video and try once. If you are facing any problem, then again resume this video, come to this video. Okay, first question is a bus starting from rest. A bus starting from rest means u is 0, moves with uniform acceleration. Acceleration is provided 0.1 meter per second square for 2 minutes. Time is also given. 2 minutes means how much? 2 minutes means 2 into 60 second. So how much? It is 120 second time. Find the speed acquired. So how much speed it will acquire means final velocity. What is the value of final velocity? See here, u, a, t, v. What is the formula? V equals to u plus at. Put the values. Now v is, we have to find out, u is 0, a is 0.1, t is 120. So what is the answer? 0.1 and 0 will cancel. Answer will be 12 meter per second. So this is the final velocity that particle or that the bus will achieve. Okay, this is the velocity. Now what is the distance traveled? Distance traveled for part B, this is part A. Any formula you can use for distance. S equals to ut plus half at square you can use, but there is a problem if you use that formula. What is that problem? Means you are going to use, let's suppose this formula ut plus half at square. What is the problem? Problem is t is 120, large value. Now if you put this large value and square, then it will be lengthy. So to avoid lengthiness of the solution, you can use this formula. V square equals to u square plus 2as. V is how much? 12. So 12 square is 144. Is equals to u square. Initial velocity is 0 plus 2 into a into s. A means 0.1, s means s. We need to find out s. So 0.2 s, 0.2 and s is equals to 144. Now s equals to 0.2 means how much? 2 by 10 into s equals to 144, or s equals to 144 into 10, so this by 2 means 720, this much meter. So 720 meter is the distance it will travel within that time, within that 2 minutes. When the bus was starting from rest and with some acceleration 0.1 meter per second square. So this is the fact. Next question is second number question. A train is traveling at a speed of this. So initial speed is given, that is 90 km per hour. Just try to convert it into meter per second. So this into 5 by 18 meter per second. So 5 into 5 means 25 meter per second square. Sorry, meter per second. This is the initial speed. Now brakes are applied so as to produce uniform acceleration. So basically retardation it is happening, that is 0.5 meter per second square with a negative sign. Find how much or how far the train will go, means distance or displacement we need to find out before it will come at rest. At rest means final velocity is 0. So basically these are the informations given, and we need to find out the value of this one. S. What is the formula related to AUVS? Formula is V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. V square means 0 square, so 0. U square means 25 square. Plus, why I am using positive sign because I am taking already here the negative sign. Okay, if you are considering that acceleration is not happening, it is deceleration or it is retardation, means negative acceleration, then either you can use the formula with of negative sign, or you can use the positive formula but value will be negative. Any one you have to do. Don't do two things, otherwise negative will be positive. Means if you are using V square equals to U square minus 2s and still you are putting A equals to minus 0.5, then it will be wrong. Either you use this one and use this one, use the value positive and use the this one negative, either this one, or use this one, u square v square equals to u square minus 2s with a positive sign, means only 0.5. if you use both of these two, you will face a problem then. Okay, your answer will not be correct. So 25 square into 2 into a means minus 0.5 into s. Now 0 equals to 25 square is 625 and plus 2, plus not plus because minus plus minus, 2 into 0.5 means 1 by 2 into s. So s you will get, which is 625 meter. So how far it will move before it stops? That is 625 meter. Okay, so this is the answer. Next, third question. A trolley while going down an inclined plane has an acceleration of this. What will be velocity 3 seconds after start? So after the start means what? It was at first at rest. This is why it is saying that after the start. So after the start means initially it was 0. This is why it is saying that after the start. And after how much second? 3 seconds. What is the acceleration? That is 2 centimeter per second square. So what is the question actually? What will be the velocity? What will be the velocity after 3 seconds? Means what is the final velocity after 3 seconds? So what is the formula? V equals to u plus at is simple formula. Just put the values. V is we have to find out. U is 0. A means 2 centimeter per second square. Centimeter per, not in meter per second square. Remember it. It is 3 seconds. So what is the answer? That is 6 centimeter per second. I am using centimeter per second. Okay, if you are going to use the unit meter per second, then you have to divide it by 100, means V equals to 6 by 100 in meter per second. Then answer will be 0.06 meter per second. Okay, so either this one or this one, no problem. You can keep the value in centimeter per second unit also. Okay, so this is the answer. Next. Okay, so a racing car has a uniform acceleration of this. What distance it will cover? So see, racing car has uniform acceleration. Acceleration is how much? 4 meter per second square. What is the distance? Means s we need to find out in 10 second after start. After start, always this word is using after start, means initially it was rest. This is why it is saying that after start. And time is how much? Time is 10 seconds. So what is the, means what is the formula I am going to use? A U T S. What is the formula? S equals to UT plus half a t square, right? Now put the values. So S we need to find out. U is 0, this is why it is 0, plus half into A means 4 meter per second square, so it is 4 into t square. T is 10 seconds, so 10 square is 100. Now cancel it like 2, you will get 200 meter. So 200 meter only it will move, it will cover in 10 seconds after starting. Okay, after start means initially it was rest, simple, U equals to 0. Next problem. Question number 5. A stone is thrown vertically upward. See, stone is thrown vertically upward means what is happening now? Now they will not give the value of acceleration. Okay, even if they give the value of acceleration, right, like here it is given, but in your exam it may not be provided the value of acceleration. Why? Because you already know when an object is moving upward, then earth is continuously pulling that object. Earth is pulling means what is happening? Earth is pulling means with some acceleration it is pulling, that is known as gravitational acceleration, and that acceleration is having some value which is 9.8 meter per second square. But for your simplicity, in question this value is provided as 10 meter per second square. This is why your calculation will be simple, nothing else. So a stone is thrown vertically upward direction with velocity, means initially it is thrown with 5 meter per second. Now see, if a stone is moving upward, its velocity will be what? Will decrease or increase? Will decrease, means any stone if you thrown upward, it will stop at a certain height, na? So why it is stopping? Its velocity is continuously decreasing. This is why it is stopping at that point, at that particular height, at the top point. So finally it is 0. Final point, at the final point its velocity is 0 at the top point. initial velocity, initially it is 5 meter per second. Now it is moving upward, and gravity means earth is pulling down, so gravity is acting downward, gravity is trying to decrease its velocity, means g is minus 10 meter per second square. Okay, now what is the question? Okay, what will be the height attained? Height attained means actually displacement, how much displacement it is moving, we have to find out, and how much time will it take to reach there. Acha. How much time means at first it will go upward, then it will reach to this original position. And fact is that if a stone, just learn about the concept, if a stone is thrown, na, let's suppose this is the distance, this much distance it is moving from here to here. If it is taking 2 seconds, from here to here, for its returning path it will also take 2 seconds to travel. So upward journey, downward journey, time for both the cases will be same. Okay, so we need to find out at first the upward journey time, means how much time it will take to reach the top position, how much time it will take. So basically what are the informations provided? U is equals to 5 meter per second, A is known, is equals to G equals to minus 10 meter per second square, V is 0, it is known, you have to find out S at first and then T. T is simple, so let me calculate the T at first, right? What is T? So V is equals to U plus AT, you can use this formula. V is simple 0, U is 5, plus A means minus 10 into T means T. So minus 5 is equals to minus 10T, minus minus will cancel, T will be equals to 5 by 10, 5 by 10 means how much? That is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 means 0.5 second. So it will take 0.5 second to reach the top, but it is not the question. Question is how much time will it take to reach there? Reach there means from which point you are throwing the stone, at that point when it will reach. So it is taking 0.5 second to reach the height, and it will again take 0.5 second to reach the bottom. So what is the total time? 0.5 plus 0.5. So what is the total time? Total time will be 0.5 into 2 equals to 1 second. So within 1 second the stone will go and reach to its original situation, original position. Now next thing is you have to find out the displacement or height. For height, what is the formula? U known, S, A known, V known, and S need to find out. So V square equals to U square plus 2S you can use. What is the formula you are using? That is V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. V means how much? At the top point it will be 0, so 0. U square, how much velocity, with how much velocity it is throwing? 5 meter per second, plus 2 into A means minus 10 into S. So 5 square is 25, that is minus 25 is equals to minus 20S. This can be cancelled, S equals to 25 by 20. How much you will get? That is okay, 1.25, or even you can simplify the things also, it will give you 5 by 4. Okay, this is 4, this is 5, 5 by 4 means 1.25 meter. So up to 1.25 meter you will reach, it will reach, the stone will reach. Okay, so this is the height. Actually these are the answers of this question. So I have discussed today total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 questions. Okay, total 8 questions from NCERT I have discussed, and these are very much important questions. Means this will not ask, but related to this type of questions, means like digits may be different but concepts are same, and the approach I am using is the simplest approach I am using. You can see all the videos from YouTube also, but the way I am using the formulas are the simplest way. Okay, so this is how you can use all the formulas and put the values. These are the necessary steps to solve this kind of questions. If you have any doubt, you can comment me, you can leave a comment on the comment section. And furthermore, if you are interested to solve this kind of problems, then try to find out the questions from Google. and solve them. If you are facing any problem, then obviously comment me that there are some problems, certain problem there is. So you can also copy paste the question on the comment section, and I will try to answer those questions. Okay, so try to follow, try to see all these videos. This is the last lecture of motion chapter. I hope this series of motion chapter is very much helpful. Total 7 to 8 video lectures are there, and very much informative, very much means necessary things are there. I hope if you are watching from the beginning, if you are wasting your means 3 hours to by watching this video series, then you will be benefited from this video lecture series, obviously. Okay, so try to see all these videos, because from the basics I am trying to clear up all the things. Okay, so this is the last lecture. And if you want any other chapters, any other theories, then obviously leave a comment. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you. Hit the like button if you like all these things, and if you are new in this channel, subscribe this channel to get more relevant videos regarding educational purpose. Okay, thank you.